Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an event on the linkedin.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then click on the home button at the top. Tap on events in the left side of the screen, and after that wait a few seconds till it loads in and click on the create event button at the top in the right side of the screen. You can upload a cover image. As you can see, if you tap on it you will be directed to your files. Select a picture and tap on upload. Then you can tap on apply, select the event type, online or in person, then type in the event name, select the time zone, the start date, start time, end date, end time. Then you can add an external event link. You can add description including the topics and schedule. After that, you can add speakers, and if you are done, click on the button next. And here you can share your event. You can add an additional text to it, hashtags, emojis, and then click on the post button down below. So that's how you can create an event on linkedin.com. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.